chord that they played and it pleases the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the bad broken composing. Hallelujah, oh hallelujah.